Right, there's not really much for me to say today. We've spent the last 2 lessons preparing in great detail for today's written task. And today's written task is you writing 2 paragraphs following the structure that I gave you yesterday, which you wrote into your exercise books, and using the 2 quotes that you exploded yesterday and created mini mind maps for. I would expect each of those paragraphs to be taking you somewhere between 15 and 20 minutes, which makes up the whole lesson. Okay, please use the helping supporting tools that I have given you. So try and follow the structure that I gave you in the model paragraph yesterday. Remember to use Shakespeare on a regular basis. Make sure you re-embed your quote on a regular basis, and make sure that you put a context comment at the end. I included this slide just to remind you of some of the things that you already know about Tybalt. There's one more slide for today's lesson, and that's got your remember to do these things list on it. Okay. Okay, folks, rewrite that title in your exercise book, please. How does Shakespeare present Tybalt as an angry and vengeful young man? And then a subheading for today is independent paragraphs. So yesterday was your model paragraph, my example of how to create an analytical response to the question. And today you are going to use the 2 mind maps that you created yesterday, the 2 quote explosions, to create your own paragraphs following that structure. I've given you 7 reminders here of things that you need to think about as you are writing that paragraph, and then as well 3 sentence openers that I would really like you to get into the habit of using in that main bit of analysis in the paragraph. Right, that's me finished for today. You now have, I would imagine, about 35-40 minutes left of the lesson for you to create those 2 paragraphs. Okay, off you go.